So we are getting started. The first thing you're gonna do is hit the menu button, and then we want to go to setup. We want to decide, are we in zone 1 or zone 2? So this is zone 2, we're gonna go there. Now the first thing we're gonna do is start with, are we palletizing a rectangular tube or a round tube? So we're gonna say rectangular. Now it's going to ask us to put in the height. So first you do the height and put in whichever dimension it is, and this is the back button and this is enter. Then you do the weight, you add the weight, and then you do the length. Put the length in and hit enter. Once you do this, now we are ready to go to production. So we hit next. This is asking you to finalize. Is what the settings you just put in correct? We're going to say yes, go next. Now we get to decide, what are we going to palletize on? So we can do any of these boxes, pallets, wood blocks, any of these containers. So whichever one you pick, you just select it and then hit next. Now we've selected, we want to palletize on these blocks. We're gonna do it in zone 2, and these are the settings. So we're gonna commit the settings, and we're going to commit to zone 2, and then we are going to go to production. Once in production, now we need to tell it, where are we going to palletize? So we're gonna go to zone 2, station 2, and click enable. And now we tell it, how many of these tubes do we want to do? You can see the max we can do is 128. We will just hit that button. Oh, hit this, and let's do 20. So we push in 20, hit enter, and now we are going to enable zone 2, place zone 2. Okay, and then you click production. Now you can see that zone 2 is enabled and ready to go. If we would also like to stack on zone 1, all we have to do is hit enable, tell it how many you would like to do, and then you are good to go. So 20, enter, enable, and then we go back to production. Now we have zone 1 and zone 2. Well, in zone 2, we have station 1 and station 2 ready to palletize. So that is how you get started on the palletizer.